Hey everybody, it's Mark. It's RV time. I got a quick story to tell about the lid on our propane tank cover. When we picked up the RV from the dealer, we did the usual customer walkthrough, and it was given to us by a service tech, so he really knew what he was talking about how things work and what to do and what not to do. And one of the things he said, he actually did it, is to flip the propane tank cover around so that the lid opens from the back. That way it doesn't blow off when you're going down the road. Well, on our very first trip, it was just a shakeout trip to a local RV park that's an hour from here. On our very first trip, when we got there, the lid was gone. It blew off. So I ordered a new one. By the time we got home a couple days later, it was there. Let me show you what I've done to make sure it doesn't blow off again. So when I put the new lid, I also put these cable keychains so that it doesn't fly away. Just drilled some holes, run it through the holes. I also super glued these when I screwed them together, super glued them so they don't come loose. And now, if it happens to fly open, I'm not going to lose it, it's just going to flop around back there. But what I've also since done is I've put these cabinet latches. And these are a lot easier to use than what came with the RV, or what came with the propane tank cover. To me, these are really lousy. And the reason why they're difficult to use, for me at least, is so there are these two protrusions here, and these two protrusions are used to make it so that this doesn't come loose on you. Well, those two protrusions also make it difficult to tighten this thing. So the thing that's used to prevent it from coming off makes it difficult to put on. So I'll get rid of these, and I put these two cabinet latches. The most difficult part of this installation was figuring out how much to raise the catch so it lines up with the latch. The answer is 16 washers. And I put a larger washer at the bottom to kind of dissipate some of the stress created on the plastic. And this is a 1.5-inch machine screw. So now I don't have to worry about this thing popping off at all, and it's a lot easier to use than these pretty much useless things. So now with these keychain cables and these latches on the front, I don't have to worry that my lid is going to fly off. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found this at least marginally useful. Let me know if you do this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.